Drake's latest NOCTA drop doesn't just sell you gear, it sells you a gamble. And that's exactly why sneakerheads are losing their minds over it. Drake and NOCTA are rolling out a special mystery box for Black Friday, packed with exclusive Nike x NOCTA items and unexpected upgrades that blur the line between regular merch and high-stakes streetwear lottery. Each box is advertised to include at least $50 worth of products, but the real excitement comes from the possibility of landing rare, high-tier pieces hidden at random. And this is the part most people miss. The thrill isn't just about what you get. It's about not knowing what you might pull when you crack that box open. At the base level, most buyers will probably receive a standard assortment of NOCTA gear. Think practical, everyday streetwear that still carries the brand's signature aesthetic. But here's where it gets controversial for some. A select few will score big with premium upgrades, turning a regular purchase into something that feels more like a golden ticket moment. The teaser imagery hints at a wide variety of apparel options, including puffer jackets, tech-inspired hoodies and crewnecks, and versatile cargo pants that fit right into today's functional fashion wave. Beyond clothing, the mystery box may also include accessories that push the value far beyond a simple apparel bundle. Potential items could include duffel bags for travel, ski-style vests with a performance edge, skate decks that double as display pieces, or even sunglasses that tap into NOCTA's sleek, low-key vibe. Sneaker fans have even more to be excited about, with certain boxes rumored to contain pairs like the Hot Step 2 or the Nike Air Force 1 done in NOCTA style, along with limited-run pieces that call back to previous NOCTA releases fans may have missed the first time. What makes this drop so compelling and a bit divisive is the built-in risk. Buying a mystery box means accepting that you might walk away with solid, but fairly standard, streetwear staples instead of ultra-rare heat. On the flip side, that same uncertainty creates the possibility of pulling something truly special, like a high-tier jacket or a sought-after collaboration piece that would normally sell out instantly. It's essentially the fashion-forward form of gambling. You're paying for guaranteed value, but you're really chasing the rush of a rare hit. NOCTA as a brand already commands serious respect in sneaker and streetwear culture, sitting at the crossroads of Drake's music influence, functional design, and Nike's sportswear legacy. This mystery box fully leans into that positioning by treating the contents more like a curated mini-collection than a single release, even though the mix can feel totally unpredictable. Depending on what you get, your box might feel like a complete outfit builder, or like a grab bag of wild cards that challenge how you style your wardrobe. Visually, the mystery box itself seems designed to match the NOCTA identity, sleek, black, and minimal, with bold branding across the lid that makes the packaging feel premium even before you see what's inside. The sturdy outer box and stripped-back wrapping add to the sense that this is meant to be a proper unboxing experience, not just a shipment. Under a layer of tissue paper, a carefully arranged assortment of items is tucked away, adding that extra bit of suspense as you peel back each layer. From a value standpoint, each box is built around a minimum retail figure of $50, which helps ease some of the anxiety around paying for unknown contents. However, the real lure comes from the tiered system inside the drop. Some lucky buyers will uncover rare Tier 1 or Tier 2 items that would typically be hard to buy outright due to demand and limited stock. Others may receive Tier 3 or more standard Tier 4 pieces that still fit the NOCTA look but won't ignite the same bragging rights. If fortune swings in a buyer's favor, that upgrade could mean pulling a previously waitlisted item, or, in extremely rare cases, a one-of-one exclusive that no one else can claim. That possibility alone is enough to drive hype, resell buzz, and intense social media flexing once people start opening their boxes and sharing what they scored. There's also a mention of store credit options tucked inside, along with an added twist. Each box appears to give buyers another shot at a random upgrade in future NOCTA drops. That mechanic quietly encourages repeat participation, turning a one-time purchase into an ongoing loop of risk and reward. All of this fits perfectly into today's culture of surprise drops, blind boxes, and collectible hype. But it also raises an interesting question. At what point does a mystery release stop being fun and start feeling like a gamble that not everyone is comfortable with? Some will argue that as long as the stated minimum value is there, it's just another form of entertainment spending. Others might say brands are using FOMO and randomness to push consumers into buying things they might have skipped if they'd seen the exact product beforehand. That tension is part of what makes this release so talked about. On the editorial side, the coverage of this drop comes from Ben Atkinson, a sneaker content writer with Hot New Hip Hop, who has been reporting on footwear news and releases since 2023. Ben specializes in highlighting exclusive launches, collaborations, and broader trends that shape sneaker culture, from the return of classic Nike silhouettes to headline-grabbing partnerships like Travis Scott's Air Jordan collaborations. His background running a sneaker reselling business, Midwest Soles, adds a layer of market awareness to his writing, since he has first-hand experience with demand, pricing, and what actually moves in the resale space. That mix of journalism and on-the-ground market knowledge makes his breakdowns especially relevant for sneakerheads, who care not just about how a shoe or collection looks, but also how it might perform in the long-term culture and resale ecosystem. When someone like that points to a drop like the NOCTA Mystery Box as one of Drake's wildest releases yet, it's a signal that this isn't just another merch bundle. It's a calculated experiment in how far fans are willing to go for a shot at something special. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this kind of mystery format a fun evolution of sneaker culture, or a slippery slope that nudges people toward loot box-style spending? Does the guaranteed value justify the risk, or does the hype overshadow smart buying choices? Drop your thoughts. Would you grab a NOCTA Mystery Box knowing you might end up with standard gear instead of a grail? Or do you think brands should be more transparent about exactly what you're paying for?